everyone, just wanted to show you how to get onto the RCS work from home website. Up in your browser, you're just going to type www.rcscsd.org. When you get to the home page, you're going to look for school closure student work here. Click on that. Then you're going to go to the top where there's a drop-down menu for AWB, and you're going to go right to first grade. And you'll see our slideshow over here. And you're going to want to click over to week 4. The old weeks are in there for the old week, like last week's is there for your reference, but week 4 is the one we're on now. This is the one you want to use. It's also been emailed to you, but this one you can probably click on the links and it will give you access directly from there. Let me know if you have any problems with that. Also, down here are some other things that you can look at and browse through and click on, like games, CVC games. So you can look through there and just explore it a little bit this week. And if you have questions, I'm going to post office hours probably tomorrow to let you know what days. Probably most likely Tuesday and Thursday, and I'll let you know the hours. All right, everyone, I hope you have a good night, and I hope you had a wonderful weekend.